so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! And do you want to draw something else with me? Yeah! Let's draw the night sky! Wow! At nighttime, is there the sun or the moon? Yeah, the moon! So let's act like we're drawing a circle, but let's stop halfway. And then let's arch it back the same way. Yeah, that looks like the moon, doesn't it? Yeah, the moon actually can look different. Yeah, at different times of the month. Yeah, because light hits it in different ways. Oh, hey, and what else is in the night sky? Yeah, stars. Let's draw some orange stars. There we go. Wow, this is perfect. I love the nighttime. Oh, it's so relaxing. And look, my two favorite colors, blue and orange. Well, this is the end of this video. And if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you later. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw a fish. Wow, I love fish. Yeah, they just love to swim underwater. Some are big, some are small, some are fast, some are slow. And today, you and I are gonna draw a purple fish. All right, I'm gonna do a long arch like that. Then I'm gonna go straight up and then do the opposite. Whoa, yeah, see that really wide triangle? Yeah, that is the tail fin. All right, now for the lips, I'm gonna draw a sideways heart, just like that. Oh, so cute. And a small circle for the eye. Ooh, a curved line. Yeah, to separate the back from the front. Oh, there we go. All right, and what does it have on its body? Not fur, yeah, scales. All right, there we go. Whoa, this fish is so cool. All right, I'm gonna draw a top fin up there. Looks like a triangle, right? Ooh, and a bottom fin. But I can't forget about some bubbles. Woo, woo, whoa, yeah. So cute. Well, if you wanna draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again, bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw a bus. Not just any bus, Buster the bus from Go Buster. Wow, Buster is so cool. Yeah, he takes his job very serious, but not too seriously because he always has a smile. All right, to draw Buster, I'm gonna take a black marker and draw a rectangle, but with rounded corners. There we go. How does that look? Whoa, and let's draw a circle down here for a wheel and a tire. Ooh, and a little circle inside. Ooh, and a square right down there. All right, let's draw a rectangle right here for the front windshield, and then a smiley face, but you can't forget about the eyes, those half circles right there. And let's start coloring things in. All right, tires, as you know, are black. Yeah, there we go. But you can't also forget about the rear view mirrors. And then what color is Buster? Yeah, yellow. Here we go. Whoa! Cool. There you go, Buster. Now you have some color. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Remember that one time we got to hang out with Bowie the rainbow and learn about rain? Yeah, that was so much fun. Why don't you and I draw Bowie together? All right, I'm gonna take black and draw some lines like this to make clouds. There we go. Yeah, there we go. And we need two big arches like that. Whoa, yeah, there we go. And now, two circles for his eyes. There we go. And a big smile because he is nice and happy. There we go. We can't forget about his eyebrows up there. And then his arms. Whoa, yeah. And his hands right up there. Whoa. Whoa, Bowie was so fun, wasn't he? Whoa. I sure do love drawing. And Bowie, you're fun too. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye, Bowie. Bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And today, you and I are gonna draw an animal. And this animal is an animal that cowboys and cowgirls love to ride. And they go, yee-haw, and it gallops. Yeah, a horse. And today, you and I are gonna draw a brown horse. So let's start with an oval right there, a rectangle for the neck, and then a big oval right there. Ooh, and some rectangles for the legs. Yeah, this is looking like a beautiful horse. And then let's draw the mane. Whoa, very nice. Can't forget about that ear. Ooh, and a smiley face. And the tail. Whee! Whoa! Horses are amazing and they love to run. Whoa! Now, does that look like a beautiful horse that you would love to ride? I know, me too! Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And today, you and I are gonna draw a house or a home. Whoa, a house is a place where people live. And sometimes those people, yeah, that family, they might even have pets live in that house too. All right, I'm gonna use a brown marker and I'm gonna draw a square, just like this. Whoa, what a great square. Now I'm gonna draw a triangle on top. Whoop, there we go. Whoa, square with a triangle. And then I'm gonna draw some more squares for the windows so then the people can look outside. Wow, look at that. I drew a square and I made a plus symbol and made 4 squares because of that. Okay, there we go. Here's another one. Wow, and I'm gonna do a door and I'm gonna do an arched line just like that with a door handle. Whoa, and this house, actually, I'm gonna make sure has a front yard with grass. Whoa, green grass. It must be spring or summer. Well, I sure do love drawing, and if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again, bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like playing outside during the day? I do too, but I have a question for you. What's that big circle thing in the sky that's really bright and really hot? Yeah, it's the sun. Maybe you and I could draw the sun today together. All right, since it's a circle, let's start by drawing a circle. Here we go. Perfect. And then these light rays shine out from the side. So let's draw those. It's like a bunch of U's. Yeah, see that? Whoa, it's so shiny. Whoa, there we go. And since playing outside is so much fun and happy, maybe we could make the sun have some sunglasses since it's so bright and a smiley face because playing outside is so much fun. Whoa, oh, let's connect those lenses. Well, if you like drawing with me and you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Keep playing outside. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And I was just acting like I was driving a race car. Race cars are so fast. Hey, maybe you and I can draw a race car. All right, first let's start with the color blue and let's draw the wheels and tires. Every race car has 4 wheels and tires, but since we're drawing it from the side, all we need to do is draw 2. And do you see those tires? Yeah, they're circles. Ooh, and let's draw the body of the race car. Whoa, a nice aerodynamic shape. Whoa, so fast. And then let's draw a triangle for the back right there, a triangle for the front right here. Whoa, cool. And then let's switch colors. And let's draw red flames because they're so fast. Cool. And let's not forget about the spoiler. Whoa! Doesn't that look like a cool race car? I know, right? Well, if you like race cars and you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you like fruit? Yeah, I do too. One of my favorite fruits is an apple. Maybe you and I should draw an apple today. Wow, there's green apples, red apples, yellow apples, but today you and I are gonna draw a red apple. All right, so let's draw a curved line like this. Ooh, and another curve on that side. There we go. And then, since apples have stems and leaves, let's take the color green and then do a stem right up here. There we go. Maybe a little thicker. But then for the leaf, a couple curved lines like that, and then a line right in the middle. Whoa, doesn't that look like a tasty apple? I know, it does. But I'm gonna color in the apple now. I'm gonna make a little line like that. Yeah, so then it looks like a reflection. And then, time to color! Yum! Whoa, that was so much fun drawing and coloring an apple together. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever been outside when it's raining? Yeah, what do you hold in your hand? Yeah, an umbrella, so then you don't get all wet. Why don't we draw an umbrella together? First, we have to draw a big half circle. Whoa, and then 3 smaller half circles the other way. There we go. And then we need to draw a letter J. Yeah, just like that, for the handle. Doesn't that look like the letter J? I know. And then if we draw lines like this, yeah, it has little sections that we can color it in and make a very colorful umbrella. So let's add some red right there. Whoa, let's add some green. Whoa, there we go. And let's add some blue. Whoa, now that's a colorful umbrella. Whoa, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want